Hello, dear learners. Welcome to MUs. Happy to see you here, guys. I believe that you are ready for today's practice. And as you know that we are making practice of cue cards with the help of using hints. And this practice is also very important for the students, for the people who are not very comfortable in spoken English. Because when you will try to speak English with the help of using hints, you are going to become fluent. So let's get started for today and see that which topic we are going to practice. So our today's topic is describe a practical skill you learned. एक practical skill, एक skill जो आपने सीखा. What this skill was, वो skill कौन सा था? When you learned it, कब सीखा आपने? How you learned it, आपने उसे कैसे सीखा? And why you think it was important? और आपको क्यों लगता है कि वो skill जो है वो बहुत जरूरी था? So, if we are talking about skill, I believe that you can talk about many practical skills. It can be the skill of writing, skill of speaking, skill of reading, and analytical skill. It can be that how to drive a cycle, bike, or a car, and how to work in kitchen, and learning how to cook something. So there can be many skills. So let's see that which skill we are going to talk about. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्टिंग विद आवर इंट्रोडक्शन. तो हिंट्स के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं. एविड लर्नर, मतलब कि आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस लर्नर, एक मैं बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए उत्सुक रहता हूँ. लाइफ स्टेगनेंट विद नो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रोग्रेस, अगर हम इंटेलेक्चुअली अगर हम अपने माइंड को ग्रो नहीं करते हैं तो लाइफ में एक ठहराव आ जाता है. ग्रेट प्रोपेंसिटी फॉर लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स, और बहुत चाहत रहती है नई चीज़ों को सीखने के लिए. रिसेंटली लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश, और अभी मैंने कुछ देर पहले ही इंग्लिश बोलना सीखा. So in the introduction we are giving a hint that we are going to speak on the skill of speaking English. Must focus on the good words and the ideas most importantly. And now I am going to speak for you. Listen to me carefully, because after that it is going to be your turn, dear learners. आप वीडियो को पॉज करेंगे और आप उसको बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो इसको हम बोलते हैं कि वेल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल दैट आई एम एन एविड लर्नर. I love learning new things in my life because I believe that life goes quite stagnant if there is no intellectual progress. So I have great propensity for learning new things, and recently I have learned the skill of speaking English. If you want, you can take back the video. You can rewind it and you can listen to me, and then you can make practice for yourself. Otherwise, just pause the video and try to speak with the help of hands. Our first cue is when you learned it. आपने कब सीखा? तो अभी लॉकडाउन की बात कर लेते हैं. हम बोल रहे हैं कि लॉकडाउन का टाइम था, मैं फ्री था, ऑल फ्री, स्कूल बंद थे, और आई वांटेड द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ टाइम, को बेस्ट यूज करना चाहता था. स्टार्टेड वर्किंग डिफरेंट स्किल्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे काम शुरू किया, बहुत सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर स्किल्स के बारे में सोचा. रियलाइज बेस्ट टाइम स्पोकन इंग्लिश, फिर रियलाइज किया कि इंग्लिश, स्पोकन इंग्लिश के ऊपर टाइम स्पेंड करना है जो वो बढ़िया रहेगा. लैंग्वेज नॉट एट लेवल, क्योंकि मेरा लैंग्वेज स्पीकिंग स्किल उस लेवल का नहीं था. स्पीकिंग में हेजिटेशन था, वोकैबुलरी भी एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था. आइल्स का टारगेट था, और मेरे पास फिर मैंने जो 2 मंथ्स है वो मैंने अपना इसके ऊपर स्पेंड किया, और मैंने ऑनलाइन गाइडेंस लिया. तो हमने बता दिया कि लॉकडाउन के टाइम इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के ऊपर वर्क किया, और ऑनलाइन गाइडेंस से 2 मंथ्स की प्रैक्टिस से अपने को इम्प्रूव किया. So now let's see that how we can say it all in English. You will say that when you learned it, well, I got the skill during the lock time, because at that time I was totally free. I was all free, schools were closed, and I wanted to make the best use of time. I started working on many things together, but I because I wanted to improve my skills in different things. But then I realized, that this is the best time to make practice of spoken English. And the reason was that my English was not up to the level. My English was good, but my speaking skill was not up to the level. I had great hesitation in spoken English. Even vocabulary was not up to the mark. It was a big issue. I used to get short of words while speaking. And then after plus two, it was my target to sit for the IELTS and clear this test. And I knew that this is a test of English proficiency. I need to work on English. So I took online guidance and I devoted about around 2 months on the practice of spoken English. So this is done. Our first cue is done here, and pause the video here for yourself and see that how you speak with the help of cues. How you learned it. And now the question is कि आपने कैसे सीखा. ऑनलाइन गाइडेंस लिया, ब्राउज मैनी ग्रामर वेबसाइट्स, बहुत सी ग्रामर वेबसाइट्स को ब्राउजिंग किया, यूट्यूब चैनल्स देखे. लकीली मुझे एक चैनल मिला जिसका नाम था इंग्लिश एट एम्यूज. वहाँ पे यूनिक मेथड था टीचिंग का. एक्सीलेंट हेल्प मिली मुझे. इंग्लिश स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्री वीडियोस वर. सबसे पहले मुझे स्पीक इंग्लिश, इंग्लिश बोलो, मेरे को कुछ फ्री वीडियोस मिली सेल्फ हेल्प के लिए. बिगनर्स लेवल था जो मैंने 4 डेज में कंप्लीट किया. मेरी वोकैब्युलरी बहुत अच्छे से इम्प्रूव हुआ. मेरा सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर ठीक हुआ. इंटरेस्टिंग वर्कशीट मैंने कुछ सॉल्व की. 1 मंथ लाइव क्लास, फिर उसके बाद जूम के ऊपर हमारा 1 मंथ लाइव क्लास अटेंड किया, जिसमें 10 डेज हमने टेंसेस पे प्रैक्टिस किया with the help of the trainer. एंड उसके बाद प्रेजेंटेशंस, कॉन्वर्सेशन, ऑडियो वीडियो हेल्प, प्रैक्टिस सेशन विद ऑडियो वीडियो फाइल्स. एंड आई रिमेम्बर कि वहाँ पे 25 स्टूडेंट्स थे. वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस था. इंटेंसिव प्रैक्टिस करवाई गई हमें, और आई गॉट ग्रेट कॉन्फिडेंस इन स्पोकन इंग्लिश. सो चलो अब इसको देखते हैं कि इन हिंट्स को हम कैसे यूज करेंगे. सो हाउ यू लर्नड इट, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू टेल the complete procedure, that what you did, how much practice you made, and you will say that well, I want to tell that when I decided that I would improve my speaking skills in English, I decided to take online guidance because all institutions were closed at that time. I browsed many grammar websites. I also checked YouTube channels, and luckily I came across a channel, and the name of that English channel, that English site was English at Amuse. I checked some videos and I realized that they had a unique method of teaching. So I got myself enrolled with the online classes, and I got excellent help. First of all, I was provided with some free videos, and the name of that video series was Speak English, which I practiced, and there I completed the beginners level. It took me about 4 or 5 days to complete it. It was wonderful experience because I got a great vocabulary. I also learned the sentence structure, and I also solved some interesting worksheets. So it was the initial part that was really very helpful for me. After that, there was 1 month live class, and it was at application Zoom or Google Meet, we could say anything, right? So I attended 1 month live class at Zoom, where all the students practice tenses with the help of trainer. The trainer told us the practical use of tenses, and that was another great experience. And then, as we were groomed with the tenses, there came the time when we started giving our presentation. There used to be conversation with the trainer and with the students, with other learners in the class. With the help of audio video presentation, we had many different type of practice sessions. It was a class of about 20-25 students, and something new for me because I had never attended online class that way. And with intensive practice, the things were made very clear to us. I got great confidence in spoken English. So intensive practice किया और अपना confidence को build up किया. How you learned it? You have given the complete thorough detail. And dear learners, the students of MUs को मालूम है कि हम ऑनलाइन लर्निंग में कैसे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. So you can explain all those things too. And now we are going to our next cue. Why you think it was important? आपको क्यों लगता है कि ये इम्पोर्टेंट था? हाईली इम्पोर्टेंट था, बेनिफिशियल था, मेरा नीड था, करियर की ज़रूरत थी, फ्यूचर प्रॉस्पेक्टस के लिए था. मैनी टाइम वर्कड ऑन टेंसेस, मैंने बहुत बारी टेंसेस पे वर्क किया था, पर मेरे लिए हमेशा कंफ्यूजिंग थे. दिस क्लास ने मेरे जो जितने भी डाउट्स थे वो क्लियर किए. अब मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली टॉक कर सकता हूँ. एक्सट्रीमली रिवार्डिंग रहा मेरे लिए ये सब कुछ, और ये सब इंटरेस्टिंग भी था, अम्यूजिंग भी था. Got the skill of speaking confidently. मैंने कॉन्फिडेंस स्पीकिंग स्किल को इम्प्रूव किया है, जो कि हमेशा से ही मेरा सपना रहा. So now we are going with this cue, and you will say that yes, this class was highly important and beneficial for me because spoken English was my need. It was needed for my career. I was very much concerned about my future prospects. Actually, I had worked on tenses many times before, but still the things were confusing for me. This class not only cleared my doubts regarding tenses, but made me speak confidently in English. I believe that it was extremely rewarding experience for me. Beside this, the classes, the practice sessions were quite interesting and amusing. Today I am happy to tell that I have got the skill of speaking English confidently. And it was my all-time dream that I could become fluent in English. I could speak impeccably. So it is just like dream come true for me. My dream has been fulfilled after attending the class. If you want, listen to me again, pause the video and then practice it for yourself. So yes, all the cues are done, dear learners. And now you can keep the complete cue card in front of you. You can switch on your timer and you can see that if you are completing the cue card in 2 minutes. You are having ideas, you are having words, you are having complete sentence structure with you. So make sure that you practice it well. It is really very important. And yeah, like, comment, share, and it is done for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.